Hey guys, it's me, Mike, and we are at Jenny Springs in Southwest Florida. These are some natural springs. The water is always 72 degrees. And you know what? I'm gonna do a little Peter McKinnon reveal here. What? It is stunning. Today we're looking at Chasing's new high definition 1080p underwater drone. This thing is tiny. Remember when we reviewed the Gladius Mini? It was an amazing drone, but you can throw this thing in your backpack and then just toss it right in the water. Control it with your phone, get 1080 HD video. It still has the tilt up and tilt down lock like the Gladius Mini, like Chasing made famous. So let's get that thing in the water, let's get it set up and see how it works.
I've got a ton of gravel in my shoes, girl on my shoulder, heart full.
And here it is. This is the Chasing Dory. It is got a 4,000 milliamp hour, 11.1 volt battery. This thing is supposed to last like an hour with 2 hours of charging. An hour is a long time to be driving or controlling any drone, whether it be in the air or underwater. It's super light, super compact, and it's got the big bright LED lights, and we're gonna chunk this thing in this crystal clear water here at Jenny Springs and see how it works.
Down in the dirt. Been real bad. I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt.
This is the main spring right here at Jenny Springs, and we were at another one where we just drove the Dory, which is like a half mile down the river here, but this is the main one. They have a cave right there that's like a shelf. It's super scary. I'm not going in there, but this water is frigid cold. Everybody's freezing, but everybody is having a great time. I have an idea. I'm gonna go put this thing in one more time over here by the river and see if we can get some good shots. I thought I saw a really cool spot, and I'd like to get a little bit of video of fish. All right, so here's a spot on the actual river. It's a little bit murkier here, but I think there's more fish and turtles in here. So I'm gonna toss this Chasing Dory in the water and see if I can get some footage here. Now, one of the cool things is you do have like 50 feet of cable, so I'll just leave this Wi-Fi base station, which can go in the water, but I'll just leave it up here with me. That way, if the current grabs the Dory, I can reel this thing back in and not lose it. So that's what I suggest doing if you're gonna be somewhere where there's some current, is keep this with you. Maybe wedge it in the rocks here or something, but that should work. Let's get this dude in the water. So the Chasing Dory is super fun. I've had so much fun out here on the river at Jenny Springs, getting some cave diving. I got to jump off of the rope swing, and we got some really cool footage using this Dory. I can't wait to take this thing on adventures around the world. Matter of fact, babe, aren't we going to St. Thomas in a couple months? Yes, we are. And I'm gonna take this Dory over there to St. Thomas with me and see if I can get some really, really good video in those tropical waters. But as for North Florida, this is about as clear as it gets and super fun. So I love the Dory, works great. Didn't even miss the controller too much. My phone seemed to work perfectly. Thanks for watching this episode. Make sure you subscribe if you like this kind of content, if you like cool stuff, and we'll see you next time right here on Unbox Warehouse.